Stakeholders meeting of all bodies under the Trade Union Congress met today in Chida Hotel in Utako, Abuja. The meeting lasted for more than 4 hours, after which the leadership of the Trade Union Congress addressed the media.
The summary of our meetings that we discussed, we deliberated, and after all the deliberations, we've now agreed that okay, we are going for the meeting later today.
Also speaking at the venue of the meeting, the Secretary of Trade Union Congress from Ogun State, Comrade Bola Badejo, said all Nigerians should shun violence as they are all registering their grievances over the fuel subsidy removal. He also expressed optimism that the outcome of the meeting with the government will favor Nigerians.
The summary of our meeting is that we have the mandate of the masses, the entire people of Ogun State and the whole Nigeria. On that mandate we stand, and we sincerely we want to assure them that we are not going to let them down. We are surely going to do what will make everybody smile and what everybody wants.
What is the harmonization they are talking about? Is it on the side of the government or the side of the citizens of the country? The outcome of their meeting tonight will determine. From Abuja, Hawwa Abdul Karim for OGTV News.